Good morning to all. I am B. Tejashwani from Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology from the Department of Electrical and Communication Engineering, Section B. And my roll number is 234G1A04B8. Today my topic for the presentation is operating point and DC load line. This is from Electric Devices and Circuits and the code is 23A04320T. Introduction to operating point and DC load line. The operating point is the specific point at which a circuit operates under given conditions. It is determined by the intersection of load line with the characteristic curve of a device. Understanding the operating point is crucial for analyzing the behavior of electronic circuits. What is an operating point? The operating point, also known as the quiescent point, indicates the DC voltage and current in a device. It is essential for establishing the performance and stability of amplifiers and other circuits. Changes in the operating point can lead to distortion or non-linear behavior in electronic systems. Understanding the DC load line. The DC load line is graphical representation showing the relationship between voltage and current in a circuit. It is plotted on the output characteristics of a device such as transistor or diode. The load line helps visualize how different loads affects the operating point on the circuit. Constructing the DC load line. To construct the load line, you need to determine the supply voltage and load resistance. The load line is drawn by connecting the points where current is 0, V equals to V supply, and the voltage is 0, that is I equals to 0. The visual tool simplifies the analysis of complex circuits by providing clear operating conditions. Intersection of load line and characteristic curve. The intersection of the DC load line and the characteristic curve defines the operating point. The point represents actual voltage and current the device will experience under load. Analyzing this intersection helps engineers optimize circuit performance for specific applications. Factors affecting the operating point. Variations in supply voltage can shift the load line, altering the operating point. Changes in load resistance will also affect where the load line intersects and the characteristic curve. Temperature fluctuations can impact the characteristics of the device, leading to further shifts in the operating point. Importance of operating point in amplifiers. In amplifiers, the operating point is a critical for linear operation and avoiding distortion. Properly setting the operating point ensures that the amplifier can handle input signals effectively. An incorrectly set operating point can lead to clipping or non-linear amplification, degrading performance. Impact of load changes on the operating point. Changes in load impedance can significantly alter the operating point of a circuit. This can result in performance issues such as reduced gain or increased distortion. Engineers must consider load variations when designing circuits to maintain desired performance. Particle applications of DC load line analysis. DC load line analysis is widely used in designing and troubleshooting electronic circuit. It helps engineers predict how circuits will behave under different operating conditions. This analysis is vital for ensuring reliability and efficiency in the electronic devices. Summary and conclusion. The operating point and DC load line are fundamental concepts in circuit analysis and design. Understanding these concepts allows for better control over circuit performance and stability. Engineers can leverage this knowledge to create more effective and reliable electronic systems. This is all about my presentation. Thank you.